So I've got this tool, the evertough harmonic balancer installer, and managed to get one of these stuck in there. So put it in there and the bolt came out, but the tip didn't. I guess I didn't fasten it tight enough. So what I'm working on is I got a tool where I can push from this nut here to push on this tube, to push down this, compress that, and that nut will fit in the bottom of this thing. So my plan is to ram that all the way in there, compress the shit out of it. Hopefully I can back this out. It's not in there very tight. I just can't grip it to turn it. So we'll see if this works. So it worked. I was able to get the piece out, and you can see compress that effectively, and was able to get the part out. So if you're installing an LS harmonic balancer, this kit is not going to work for you. The bolt is not long enough to reach in there, and they didn't have any of these long, I think this was a metric 10 by 1 bolt, and they didn't have any of these at Lowe's or anything. So no luck in finding something that would work. Ultimately, I found this tool, a install tool from ICT Billet. It's a threaded rod with a nut that will press the harmonic balancer onto the LS crankshaft.